Hey guys, it's the girl Alisia.B. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a styling with me. I already washed my hair. So here's the gag, you guys. I washed my hair with the Biotin Boost Hask shampoo, and I conditioned it with the tea tree oil conditioner. And you guys, mixing these two gave my hair such a great feel. Even though they have two different purposes, my hair felt really good. So that's why I did this simple wash and conditioner. No deep conditioner, no hot oil treatment, no protein treatment, no bonding treatment, nothing like that. Just a straight shampoo and conditioner, and my hair feels really good. So I'm just gonna press on my hair, add some curls, and see how it turns out. So we're just gonna vibe out, grab yourself a glass of wine, some water, some juice, some food, some popcorn, whatever you gotta do, vibe out, and let's see how this hair turns out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not hit it, because we are lit on this channel. We are a community. We're learning how to grow our hair back despite all our setbacks, as y'all can see. If you guys have any questions, just put it down in the comments below, and let's see how this hair turns out.